Hello guys, and welcome to another video. This will be a quick video because I just want to show you how to install a belt, what's micro V multi-ripped belt. When I was taking my car apart, I've noticed that the belt looks a bit like charcoal. So I went and ordered another one, and it came in. And since I'm waiting for my intercooler and my air filter, I can show you how to install this belt. I'm just gonna quickly show you. See, I've got the air filter on order. I've got the tripod stand on order. If you remember from my previous video, I said, get me to 60 subscribers, I'll buy myself a stand, so then you can watch an interrupted video. So that's the intercooler charger, and this is the one that I was going to show you. Yes, so this is the belt, and I will go and show you how to install it. There, as you can see, that's the belt. Mine is a bit shorter, because you can get those belts 995 long, and mine is 860 long. Mine is without the AC, so it's a bit shorter. Yeah, okay. I've got the key. Yes, I've got the key. Let's put it over there. I'll show you how charcoaly is my previous belt. Okay, so let's put these there. Open, open, open. And put it there. Okay, so that is the belt there. See this one? I'll try and zoom in. That is the condition of the belt. My friend said it looks like charcoal, but it does look like charcoal. Okay, so let's see what needs to be done to change that. Whether I need to remove something, or we just press on that, and maybe I'll be able to change it on the tensioner. So I've got a selection of wrenches, because it looks, you can see there's a dedicated head on which you put the wrench, and then you tilt it, which releases the belt, and then you can swap it. Okay, so it looks like either 15 or 16. Got this. Let's try 15. 15 is a bit too big. 16. Muy perfecto. So I think I'll be using the head, because it'll be easier to get to 16 head. Okay, let's put these there. Where's my 16? There we go. 16. And then, for a better reach, a long arm, which will even make it easier to tilt. See how long it is? Focus. There we are. put it on there. It's sort of a bit loose. It's almost like it's 15. No, it's just me. Let's try it. Oh look, up, up, up. See how easy that is? Loosen the belt. I just need to drop it, or I can do it from the bottom. Is it easier to get through the bottom? No, it is not. It is easier through this side. Okay, so put the phone down because I still haven't got the stand, and I'll swap the belt over, and then you can see the belt already swapped. I found it easier with the wrench at the bottom, so you can counterlever much more, and the belt is off. So now you can see the extent of the oldiness. This is the belt that I'm changing. It will probably last, I'd say, another year or something before it poses a threat, because there's plenty of meat, but it's just old, it's deteriorated, because some of these belts have a shelf life because the rubber deteriorates. That's a brand new one. It costed me, I can't remember, £10 or something. So now, if I would have a stand, if I position it like this, there, then you can probably see what am I doing. Okay, so first of all is double check it's the same width. Yes. Okay, so first of all, put it on the big one. Then it needs to go up there and on the smaller one. So now, where the cantilevering comes into play, and release, and that's how easy that was. It's because I've got access here and here and here and everywhere, but you'd probably change it in 5 minutes or something through the top. That's it, done. This one is going into the bin. You can probably see the numbers or whatever if you want to. That's it. Thanks for watching, and hopefully this week my intercooler and my air filter will come in, and I will put it all back together, and then we'll see how it goes, because I was losing boost, majorly losing boost. Oh, I've just farted, nice, and you haven't heard. Thanks for watching. Oh, it smells, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.